Good morning. Very good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Good. Yes, had your breakfast, kids? Yes. Then you are full energetic, right? Then we will start the class. Yes. Tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 22nd. We are in the month of September. Year is 2021. Today is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday you have the World and Day. Yes, easy subject. Yes, children? Yes. Let us see the thought for the day. No one is born happy. No one is born happy. But everyone is born with the ability to create happiness. Everybody can create an happiness. Yes, nobody is born with happy. All have problems. Right? Yes. That is the thought for the day today. Yes, children? Yes. Now take out your The World and Day book. Yes, please take out. Yes. We completed lesson 1, lesson 2, right children? Yes. Then now lesson 3. Okay. Page number 7. Take out page number 7. What is the lesson name? Third lesson. Body safety. Yes, body safety. The lesson name is okay. So let us start. Yes. Our body is special. It is important to keep our body healthy and safe. Yes, our body is special. Yes, children, it is important. It is important to keep our body and health, and we should keep it safe also. Yes, our health and body should be safe. Okay. Then friendly owl. Friendly owl will teach us how to be safe. Friendly owl will teach you how to be safe. Okay. Yes, here owl is there. See in your picture there is a owl, right? Yes, what the owl is telling, let us see. I am friendly owl. It is telling I am friendly owl. Let us learn how to be safe. It is telling let us learn how to be safe. If something is safe, it means it will not harm us. If anything is safe, it will not at all harm us. Correct? Yes. Now you have some activity, some exercise you have to do it. Take the pictures that show actions that can harm us. Yes. Here they have given some pictures. Okay. See, here they have given some pictures. Take the pictures that shows actions that can harm us. Which will harm us, children? In this picture, which will harm? Playing on the road. Playing on the road will harm us. Yes, it will harm us. Take the pictures that show actions that can harm us. It can harm us. So, take it. Okay. Do it now itself. Then next we have playing in the park. Playing in the park will harm you? No. Correct. Playing in park, nothing will happen. Right, children? Yes. Busting crackers. Yes, busting crackers. In Diwali and all, you are busting crackers. If it is burst nearby you, you will get hurt, right? Or you are catching that crackers in your hand and burning. It might burst and harm your hands or legs or eyes. Correct? Yes, so it will harm us. So tick this. Then next, crossing the road with a grown-up. Big people, if we cross the road, nothing happens, right? Elders will make us to cross the road. Nothing will happen because they know how to cross the road. But if you people only will go in the road, you will get harm, right? Yes, so this is not harmful. Okay, so no need to tick it. Okay, then turn next page. Yes, next page we have, let us read that. We should not do things that can harm us. We should not do things which will harm us. Okay. We should always try to be careful. We should be always careful. Now let us see how we can keep our body safe. How we will keep our bodies safe, let us see now. Okay. Then owl is telling, there is one rule to keep our bodies safe. No one touches our body if we do not like it. Yes, if anybody will touch your body, you don't like it, then you should not allow them to touch. Okay, that it should be. You people should know. If anybody is touching you unwantedly, you should not let them to touch you. Okay, that is not good, right? Yes, that's why. Okay, so we should keep our body safe. We should not harm our body. We should be away from those things. Okay. Yes. Next we feel good when people we love hug or kiss. Yes, your mother will hug you or kiss you. You like, right? Yes, you feel happy, right, children? That is good. If they will hug you, they will kiss you, no problem. Others they will do too. That is not good. Okay, you should not allow for that. Are you getting, children? Yes. Then next we have make a star beside the touches that make you feel good. Which will make you feel good? Which touch will make you feel good, right? For that you need to give one star. You should draw the star. Okay? If you do this correctly, children, I will also give you star. Okay? You want star, right? Then you will do. Okay? Yes. In page number 8. Yes. See here. Mummy hugs you. Mummy hugs you, you will feel bad, huh? No, you feel good, right? So, you will put one star here. See how to put star, easy. See like this. Okay. Then, a friend shakes hands with you. If your friend is shaking hands with you, you feel happy. Yes, that is good touch only, right? So, you will put one star. See, first like triangle, then like this, then like this. Easy, children. Star. Okay. Then next. Grandma holds your hand to cross the road. If grandmother holds your hand, you feel safe, right? It is good touch, right? So you will give star for that. Okay. Draw a star. See, very easy like this. Okay. Then next, the doctor touches you to check your fever. If the doctor is touching you, you feel good or bad? You feel good only, because they will help us to treat our disease or any sick. If we are getting fever, cold, anything, if they touch us to treat only, they are touching. So it is not a good bad touch. It is good touch only. So this also you can give star. Okay. So draw a star here. Okay. Yes. Then turn next page. Yes. You hug your pet. If you hug your pet, it is good or bad? Good only, correct? Yes, you like your pets, right, children? Do you have pets? Then you will hug, right? Yes. Then draw a star here. Yes, children? Yes. Then there are some touches that make us feel bad. Some touches are there which when they will touch us, right, we feel bad. So that is only bad touch. Okay. When someone touches us in a way that we do not like, we should say no. When others are touching somewhere and all, which you don't like, so you should not allow them to touch you. You should tell, don't touch me, please go that side. Like that you need to tell. Okay? Because that you don't like, that when you are touching, you doesn't like that, then you should not allow them to touch you. Okay? So that is a bad touch. Understand, children? Yes. Then next we have yea, no means no. Yea, no means no. You should say like that. If they are touching you in a bad way, you need to tell them, yea, no means no. Don't touch means don't touch. Like that you should order them. Okay? Yes. If a touch gives us bad feeling, we should never hide it. If somebody is touching you in different parts, right? You don't like that. Then you should not hide. You should not hide that from your mother or father. You should go and tell, this person is touching me like this. Like that you should go and complain to your mother or father or elders, anybody. Okay, that is good. You should not hide it. Don't keep it in your mind itself. You should tell to your parents. Okay, yes. Then next we have how to deal with bad touch. How we should deal with that bad touch. Let us see. Here are some things you can do when someone touches you in a way you don't like. When you don't like someone is touching you, then you can use these points. Okay, let us see. Say no, stop that. You should say no. Stop means stop. Like that you should tell them. Okay. Then tell your parents, grandparents, teacher or any grown up you trust. Whom you are trusting more. You should go and tell to them. This person is touching me. This person is doing like this. You need to go and tell to your parents or such people you should go and tell. This person is doing like this to me, like that. Okay, you should not hide it in your mind. Are you getting, children? Yes. Then next point is call 1098. You should call, one number is there, 1098 for that. It is a child helpline number. That number is a child helpline number. If any child is getting trouble from others, right? If they will call to this number, then immediately the help will come. Okay? So that also you can do. You can call this number 1098. You will keep in mind. If anybody will touch you in a bad way or anybody will try to kidnap you, at that time you can use this number. You will keep in mind. Means in any emergency you will have phone, or if you go to other place, if he forgets the phone and keep it here, who has kidnapped you, if he kept a phone next to you, easily you can call. Yes. So this number will be helpful. So keep that in your mind. 1098. It is a child helpline number. You can call that person also. Immediate help will be coming for you. Okay. So these are the points you can keep it in your mind when somebody is giving trouble to you. You can use this. Okay. Yes. Hope this was very good, children. Very useful, right? Yes. Then turn next page. We have ice cream for thought also. Let us read that page number 10. Do you think we should always say no when someone touches us in a way we don't like? This is homework you have to do. Okay? Yes, no, maybe. In this any one you need to tick. Okay? When somebody is touching, you should say no. When you are not liking their touch, then yes, no, maybe. Okay? You should tick the correct one. We should tell a grown-up when we don't like a touch. We should tell the grown-up, I don't like that person is touching me. So you should go and tell to grown-up people. Yes, no, maybe. Which is correct? Yes only. Yes, both are yes only. You can take it. Okay. We should never hide it if a touch gives us bad feelings. When it is giving a bad feelings for us, when they are touching us in a bad way, we are feeling it bad, right? Then we should say to the grown-up people, we should not hide it in our mind. Okay. Yes. Then next we have safe and smart certificate. Yes. Here we have a certificate. Let us, I will read you. Listen carefully, children. My name is, you have to write your name here. Okay. Write your name, and I am safe and smart. Okay. My safe person is, who is your safe person? Mother or father or grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt. Yes, you can write there. Here, okay, parents or grandmother, like that you can write here. Okay, whom I can always talk to about everything. With whom you can talk everything. Yes, with mother and all we can talk everything, right? Then you can write mother also. I trust them because I know they will keep me safe. Yes, we are trusting them. So because they will keep us safe, right? So you can write your mother, father, uncle, whom you are believing more. That person you can write here. Okay? Yes. This is the homework for you, page number 10. Okay? And classwork also we have done in page number 7, 8, 9. Yes, we have done classwork also. That also you should send it in the group. Then page number 10 is homework. That also you should do. Today what all we learned, children? Good touch and bad touch. How to keep our body safe. Yes, we learned today about that only, right? If they are touching our body which is not feeling good for us, then we need to say them not to touch us. Or you should tell your parents, this person is touching me like this and all. You should tell, you should not keep it in your mind. And I have given some points also. You can use that points also. You can call to the 1098. Sorry children, the number is 1098. For that also you can call. That is a child helpline number. Okay, like this also you can be safe. Yes children? Yes, hope today it was a useful class for us, right? Yes, then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.